Would you rather break a nail or break a favourite nail polish? This and other questions are going to be answered in this tag video. Hi, it's Amanda, the Nail Polish Hound, and this is the Would You Rather tag video, the nail polish edition. It was started by Krista and Jacqueline of Restored by Polish, and I will put their original video in the description bar below. And there are 12 questions. The first one is, would you rather wear the same polish every day for a year or wear no polish every day for a year? Well, if I had lovely nails like the person on the left here, I might be tempted to go without nail polish as long as I could wear some form of strengthening base coat, but my nails aren't that nice. I don't have a lovely smile line and sometimes I get splinter hemorrhages, so I would have to wear the same nail polish every day for a year, and I choose a nice sort of dusky neutral colour like this one, just a little bit of colour to it, but something that you could wear pretty much anywhere. Next question is, would you rather break your favourite limited edition polish or miss out on the best limited edition polish? If I was going to miss out on the best limited edition polish, I think I would rather have that and break my favourite limited edition polish, because if the other one's the best, then the previous one wouldn't be my favourite anymore. Next questions, would you rather have a fluffy wonky brush for a year or have to use a thick gloopy polish for a year? Well, if I'm allowed to cheat, I would probably trim that fluffy wonky brush and use thinner in the gloopy polish, but then the thinner after a while would probably not work or the polish wouldn't dry, so I'm going to go with that wonky brush, and that's definitely the best option if I'm not allowed to cheat as well. I wouldn't be able to use a pour formula for a year. Next one is, would you rather wear only cream finishes for a year or wear only glitter finishes for a year? For me, I would choose the cream finishes purely because I cannot be bothered to get those pesky glitters off my nails. So cream polishes all the way for me. The next one is, would you rather not watch your favourite nail YouTuber for a year or have to upload your own nail video every day for a year? Well, I don't think I'd like to go without watching any of my favourite nail YouTubers. It is going to be a bit of a pain having to upload every single day, but I think I'd rather do that than go without watching my favourite YouTubers. And you never know, it might help my channel to grow a bit as well. The next question is, would you rather not be able to use Acetone Antidote or Additive or not be able to use cuticle oil? Well, I don't use Acetone Antidote at all, so this is quite an easy question for me. It would have to be keeping the cuticle oil. I rarely use acetone anyway, just for getting off the most stubborn of polishes. I find that Zoya Remove does manage to get off most glitters. The only other time I use acetone is if I'm wearing gel nail polish, and that is so infrequent that I could go without that for a year and be able to keep my cuticle oil. The next question is, would you rather break a nail or break a loved nail polish? With this one, it depends on how bad the break is and how far up the nail bed it is. I do break my nails sometimes, and I had quite a nasty one earlier this year, but it didn't get up into the nail bed, so it wasn't too painful. With a favourite polish, maybe I'd be able to replace it or find something similar, so I think I'd rather break the polish so long as it doesn't make too much mess. If you drop it on the carpet, it is a real pain. So yeah, if I can break the polish somewhere where it won't matter, find something similar to replace it with, I'd rather do that than break a nail. Next question is, would you rather have to wear seasonal colour polishes forever or never wear seasonal colour polish? I've only really just got into wearing seasonal colour polishes and I am quite enjoying it, so I think I would stick with that. The next question is, would you rather buy from only one indie brand for a year or buy only from one mainstream brand for a year? If I was only allowed to buy from one mainstream brand, it would be China Glaze. I do like their polishes, they release quite a lot during a year, they're reasonably priced and they do lots of different finishes. And if I could only pick one indie polish, it would be Ada's Nails. Again, they have a really good range, they're reasonably priced, their cream polishes are phenomenal and they have lots of different finishes. So between those two though, I would definitely pick the indie. Then we have, would you rather have to use nail art in every mani for a year or not use any nail art for every mani for a year? I would choose not to do the nail art. Having to do that every single time would take so much time. Although I enjoy it, I think I'd rather do nothing for a year than have to do it every time. And there's so many different finishes in polish that I'm sure that and toppers would keep me happy anyway. The next question was a bonus one from Krista's husband, and he asked, would you rather give up your nail polish or give up your husband's significant other? Well, I would definitely choose my significant other, but again, can I please keep a nice strengthening base coat so that my nails don't fall apart? And the last question was from Jacqueline, and it was, would you rather wear whatever polish you want and have to wear gloves all the time, or never wear polish and not have to wear gloves? And in their video she did clarify that it was wearing gloves when you go out, not having to wear gloves all of the time, which does make quite a difference. I think I would choose to wear my nail polish and wear the gloves when I go out. I've had to do that a lot over the last year anyway. She doesn't put a time frame on this one, so I'm hoping it's not forever, but I'm probably going to have to wear gloves a lot over the next year anyway, so I'm going to choose my nail polish under the gloves. At least I can still enjoy doing it myself. I do get a lot of relaxation from doing my nails, and I'd be able to look at them myself at home, so I think I'll choose that one. Thanks for watching. If you want to join in this tag, I'll put all the questions in the description bar below, as well as links to the videos of people that I know have already done this tag.